This is a wonderful book called Just in Case You Want to Fly, and it is about the love and support of your family and your friends and how they can help you make any of your ideas happen. So I would like you to join me for this book, Just in Case You Want to Fly. It's by Julie Fogliano and Christian Robinson. Just in case you want to fly. Just in case you want to fly, here's some wind, and here's the sky. Here's a feather way up high, and here's a wing from a butterfly. Here's a cherry if you need a snack, and if you get itchy, a scratch on the back. Here's a rock to skip, and a coin to wish. And a fork, and a spoon, and a cup, and a dish. And just in case you want to sing, here's a la la la. And a ding ding ding. Ooh, someone's coming in the bookstore. Here's a joke if you want to laugh. Bison. Bison. Get it? Bison. It means buffalo. And here's your toothbrush. And your favorite giraffe. And here's a blanket. And here's a dream. And some kisses on your head. Here's a pillow, and here's a song for when you go to bed. Ooh, that looks like a little music box. Do you see them turning the key? Maybe you've seen a music box before. And just in case you want to cry, here's a tissue, and here's a sigh. Here's an umbrella in case it rains. And some honey for your tea. Drip. And here's a map with an X on the spot to find your way home to me.